Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kris here, and I'm giving you guys the first look into my new apartment with an empty apartment tour. So let's go inside. So as you can see, this is a true empty apartment. So when you first walk in, you go into the kitchen area, which I just showed. And that's some of the lighting I just wanted to showcase. And then this is my sort of like my living room slash it's going to be some office space and, you know, the whole nine. I do have a couple of little items over there, but you know, so this is like almost going into the hallway. But first we have a look into what will be my son's room. So our rooms were pretty small at the last place, so yeah, he's gonna be super excited about that. Then I also have a pantry and a washer and dryer. And then I also have a look into my bedroom. So this was way better, and I get a ceiling fan, so I am so happy about that. And then I have like a mini walk-in closet. So here is the bathroom. I absolutely love it. Yeah, I thought I knew where the light was, but yeah, so they came and fixed some stuff for me. And yeah, this is a hallway. I'm definitely going to be getting like some nice pictures for the hall, and then you just walk straight back into like a full look into the kitchen.